name is Matt with Duke's Waikīkī, and this is Hawaii in the Kitchen. Today we're going to show you guys how to make our world famous coconut shrimp. Okay, we're going to start with large shrimp, 13-15 size if you can find. And then we're going to peel the shell off and devein them already. And then we're going to make a cut along the back of the shrimp like this to open them up and butterfly them like this. So we've gone ahead and done that with all of our shrimp already. We'll do one more for you to see. So work your knife all the way around and just open those shrimp up so you get more surface area for all that good coconut to go on. Next we're going to take 2 cups of flour with salt and pepper, and we're going to just mix those up. Next we'll crack 3 eggs into a bowl, and then we'll whisk those up. And this is going to be your standard breading procedure, going from flour to egg wash into our coconut mixture that we'll make next. So crack these eggs and then whisk them up real good, like so. Okay, next we'll make our coconut mixture, and this is unsweetened coconut flakes and panko breadcrumbs. Okay, and then we'll just mix those all together, and then we're ready to start breading. So we'll take our shrimp and press them in the flour, and then dip them in the egg wash, and then press them into the coconut mixture. And then they're ready to go. Okay, now that we've got our shrimp breaded with the coconut crust, we'll heat up a pot of oil to 350 degrees and start deep frying these. Okay, our shrimp are starting to look nice and golden brown. We'll give them another 10 seconds here, and I think we're ready to go. Now that our shrimp are nice and golden brown, we'll just serve them with a little bit of shredded cabbage, some pickled cucumbers with a little red onion and carrots in there, our lilikoi chili pepper water, and these beautiful golden brown coconut shrimp.